Hello children, let's begin with the fourth chapter of Honeydew, that is Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Children, lapse of memory means to forget one part of the life. And this story is written by Satyajit Ray. So children, we are going to study today the first part of the story, in which we have the conversation between the two main characters, Bipin Chaudhary and Parimal Ghosh. So let's see what happens in the first part of the story. So children, Bipin Chaudhary is a man working on an office. On every Monday, when he returned from his office, he used to purchase at least 5 books in number on crime stories, ghost stories, and thrill stories from Kalicharan's bookshop in New Market. He was very reserved natured person. He had very few friends and he was not interested in spending time in chatting. Today, while purchasing books, he saw a man standing outside of the shop who was observing him. The man looked round faced, meek, and smiling. The man came to Bipin Chaudhary and said, "You don't recognize me, though we met every day in a week. I arranged a car to take you to the Hudru Fall where you fell down and cut your right knee. The man also said that I put iodine and fixed up a car for you to go to Nature Hut. You stayed in a bungalow with Dinesh Mukherjee and you told us that you did not like hotel's food. You preferred the meal prepared by a bawarchi. You had gone to Ranchi in 1958, sir." Bipin Babu was very surprised. He said, "Ranchi? But I had never gone to Ranchi. So can you tell me that in 1958, which month it was?" Parimal Ghosh replied that in October. At this, Bipin Babu said that in October 1958, he was with his friend at Kanpur, not in Ranchi. Then again, Parimal Ghosh told him that, "Bipin Babu, you told me about your story, about your life, that how you lost your wife and you had no children. Your only brother died insane." At this, Babu was very surprised because he was not able to recollect anything. He had no memory of Ranchi. Then Bipin Babu paid for the books. He said to Parimal that "You are making a mistake. I have never been to Ranchi. Goodbye." Then the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. So children, here the first part completed. Now in my next video, I will tell you what happened in the second part of the story. So after watching the video, you have to read the first part of the chapter. Okay.